Hello everyone. Welcome to Perfect Spoken English Learning YouTube channel. How are you today? Today, we are going to talk about your day. We call this a daily routine. These are the things you do from the moment you wake up until the moment you go to sleep. Learning these words is very helpful. You can use them every single day. Let us start at the very beginning of the day. The first thing we do is wake up. My alarm clock rings. It makes a loud sound. I hear the sound, and I open my eyes. This is called waking up. Then, I sit up in my bed. I stay there for a minute. I look at the sunlight coming through the window. Then, I get out of bed. This means my feet touch the floor. Next, I go to the bathroom. This is a very important part of the routine. I brush my teeth. I use a toothbrush and some toothpaste. I move the brush up and down. I want my teeth to be clean and white. Then, I wash my face with cool water. It feels very fresh. It helps me feel awake. Sometimes, I take a shower. I use soap and shampoo. Now, I am clean. After the bathroom, I go to my bedroom to get dressed. I choose my clothes. I put on my shirt. I put on my pants. If it is cold, I put on a sweater. I look in the mirror to make sure I look good. Now, I am ready for the day. Now, it is time for breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Some people like to drink coffee. Some people like tea. I like to eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I eat fruit, like a banana or an apple. While I eat, I think about my plan for the day. I think about my work or my school. After breakfast, I leave my house. I go to work or I go to school. How do you travel? Some people walk. Some people drive a car. Other people take the bus or the train. This is called commuting. I like to listen to English music while I travel. It is a great way to practice. When I arrive at my work or school, I say good morning to my friends. I sit down at my desk. I start my work. I read emails. I write on my computer. I talk to people. This part of the day is very busy. I stay focused. At noon, it is time for lunch. Lunch is a small break. I sit with my friends. We talk and we laugh. I eat my lunch slowly. It is good to take a rest. After lunch, I go back to my work for a few more hours. When the sun starts to go down, it is time to go home. I pack my bag. I say goodbye to my friends. I travel back to my house. When I walk through the front door, I feel very happy. I take off my shoes. I put on my comfortable clothes. This is my time to relax. In the evening, I have dinner. This is the meal I eat with my family. We talk about our day. My mother tells a story. My father tells a joke. We eat together. After dinner, I help to clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. Then, I have some free time. This is my time. I like to watch videos on YouTube. Sometimes, I play a game. Or, I read a book in English. This is a very peaceful part of the day. The house is quiet. Before I go to sleep, I go back to the bathroom. I brush my teeth one more time. I put on my pajamas. My pajamas are soft and warm. I turn off the lights. I get into my bed. My pillow is very soft. I close my eyes. I think about one good thing that happened today. Then, I fall asleep. I sleep all night long. This is my daily routine. Let us practice some of these words again. Please listen and think about the meaning. Wake up. Brush my teeth. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Eat lunch. Go home. Eat dinner. Go to sleep. Did you notice how simple these words are? You don't need to say, I am currently engaging in the act of consuming my morning meal. No. Just say, I eat breakfast. Simple English is beautiful English. You can practice this routine too. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up, say it in English. Say, I am waking up. When you brush your teeth, say, I am brushing my teeth. This is called labeling your life. It is the fastest way to learn a language. You do not need a book. You just need your life. If you do this every day, the words will stay in your brain. You will not have to think about them anymore. They will just come out of your mouth naturally. This is how you become a fluent speaker. One day at a time. One routine at a time. Thank you for listening to this lesson. You are a great student. I hope you have a very good daily routine tomorrow. Remember to speak slowly. Remember to speak clearly. And most importantly, remember to enjoy your day. I will see you in the next lesson. We will learn more words to help you speak English like a pro. Keep practicing. Keep smiling. Goodbye for now. Thanks for listening. Please do subscribe for more videos.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button right down there and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.